Welcome back, children. In this video, I'm going to teach you indices chapter 8. If a is any real number and n is natural number, then a to the power n, I can write a into a dot 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 up to nth term, where a is the base and n is the exponent or index, and a to the power n is the exponential form. Now, fractional indices or surds. The square root of a positive real number, a is that number which, when multiplied by itself, gives us the product. If b is the square root of a, then b equal to a means b square equal to a means b equal to under root a. So apart from that, we have to study some laws of exponents. Some laws of exponents of real number. You have to see this video, means watch this video till end and stay tuned for next video also. Okay, you have to watch this video till end. Study that in previous classes we read that if a is any real number and n is natural number, then a to the power n, I can write a to the power n means a into a into dot 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 up to nth times. So this one I can write a to the power n, where a is your base and n is your indices or exponent. Now see laws of exponents for real number. If a to the power m into a to the power n, here base same, as we know, if base same, power will be added. So here I can write m plus n. Now a to the power m to the power n, I can write what? A to the power m n. Now here base same, but it is written on a fraction form. So a to the power m by a to the power n, that part I can write a to the power, take this one up, so power will be minus, so a to the power m minus n. Here I can write, see, here base is different but power is same, that time we have to write a b to the power m, and here I can write a by b to the power m means I can write a to the power m by b to the power m. Here a to the power minus n I can write 1 by a to the power n, or we can write 1 by a to the power an. Here see base same means power same, so we can write, but one thing you have to see, n is not equal to 0. N is not equal to 0 means n is not equal to 0. That time it will be, this implies that I can write a equal to b. But here base same, so therefore m equal to n. M equal to n. These are the some important formula you have to go through. With the formula you can solve each and every sum. Now see, I am solving few sum. Question number 1 first, it is given 81 by 16 to the power minus 3 by 4. This part you can write just reciprocally, so power will be, the sign will be changed, the power sign will be changed. I can write 16 by 81 to the power 3 by 4. Now 16 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 to the power 3 by 4. Now as I told you, from the laws of exponent I can write this part 2 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. So this 4 cancel, it will be 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So 8, and this is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 2 second, it is given a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 by ab to the power minus 1. Here this part I can write a to the power minus 1 means a 1 by a plus 1 by b, and this part I can write 1 by ab. Okay, now take LCM. It will be ab and this one b plus a by 1 by ab. So this ab cancel, so it will be b plus a, means simple I can write a plus b. This is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 4 first, it is given 3a by b to the power minus 1 plus 2b by a to the power minus 1. Simple I can write 3a and this is I can write 1 by b plus 2b I can write 1 by a. So this part I can take 3, this b will go up, 3ab plus 2ab equal to 5ab. This is our required answer. Write down. Question number 7 2. 5 into 25 to the power n plus 1, 25 into 5 to the power 2n by 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 25 to the power n plus 1. Here I can write, just we have to split it. So 5 to the power nothing means I can write 1, and here I can write 5 to the power 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 5 to the power 2, and this is I can write 5 to the power 2n by, now 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2n plus 3, here I can write 5 to the power 2 to the power n plus 1. Next step, here I can write 5 to the power 1. Now this is what, a to the power b to the power means a to the power m to the power n. So a to the power m into n I can write. So 5 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2n by, here I can write 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus same a to the power m to the power n means a to the power mn. So 5 to the power 2n plus 2. Up to here you write. Now here I can write base same, power will be added, means 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2 by 5 to the power 2n plus 4 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2. Here I can take common 5 to the power 2n, because here 5 to the power 2n, here also 5 to the power 2n, here also. So I can write directly 5 to the power 2n, take common, it will be 5 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 2 by 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 2. So this part cancel. So I can write 125 means 500, 5 to the power 3 means 125 minus 25 by 5 into 5 25, 21 6 2 625 minus 25. This part I can write 125 minus 5, this is 100 and this is 600. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 means both the zeros cancel, so 1 by 6. I hope this is our required answer. Write down please. Yes, question number 8 first, it is given 8 to the power minus 4 by 2 divided 2 to the power minus 2 whole power 1 by 2. First of all, we have to take in the form of what? 2. So here I can write, so this will be 3, it is given 4 to the power 3, so change this one. So 8 I can write 2 to the power 3 into minus 4 to the power 3. I can write, because 2 to the power 3 means 8, divided by 2 to the power minus 2 power 1 by 2. So this 3 cancel, so minus 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 to the power half. Write down. So this part I can write 2 to the power minus 4 by 2 to the power minus 2 to the power half. Now base same, a to the power m by a to the power n, I can write a to the power m minus n. So here it is minus, so minus plus, so 2 to the power minus 4 plus 2 to the power half, means 2 to the power minus 2 into 2, this one cancel, so it will be 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 means what? 1 by 2. This is our required answer. Write down please. Yes, see question number 12. First it is given 5 to the power n plus 2 minus 6 into 5 to the power n plus 1 by 9 into 5 to the power n minus 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power n. 5 to the power n plus 2 means 5, the power is n into 5 to the power 2. This part I can write. So this part I can write 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2 minus 6 into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. Here 9 you can write that 9 into 5 to the power n minus 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power n. Write down. Now see the condition. Here 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n. So I can take common 5 to the power n as a common. So our remaining part is what? 5 to the power 2 minus 6 into 5 to the power 1 means 5. Okay, and down I can same 5 to the power n, I can take common 9 into 5 to the power n taken common, 9 minus 4, 2 to the power 2 means 4 I can write. Now this one cancel, so 25 minus, first of all you write 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 means I can write 5 to the power 2 according to the question it is given. 5 to the power 3 maybe, yes 3 it is given. Change it please. Yes, this is given 5 to the power 3. According to question it is given 5 to the power 3. So we have to change this part. Okay, this is also 3. Okay, now 5 to the power 3 means 125 minus 30 by 9 minus 4. So 125 minus 30, it will be 95, and this will be 9 minus 4 means 5. Cancel it, 19. So our required answer is 19. Write down please. Before starting question number 16 to previous question, it will be 12 2. Remember 12 2. I have written 12 1. It will be 12 2. Now this question, 27 to the power 4 by 3 plus 30 to the power 0.8 plus 0.8 to the power minus 1. So what we have to do? First of all, I can write 27 I can write 3 to the power 3, and their power is already given. one more power is, that is 4 to the power 3. Now 32 I can write 2 to the power 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 16 32, 16 into 32 means 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, and 0.8 I can write to the power 8 by 10. Okay, remove the point. Okay. Same here I can write 0 to the power 0.8 to the power minus 1. Now this one will go on by 2, so this one cancel. So 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4, this 2 will cancel to the 8. Okay, and this will be, means I can write plus 8 by 10 to the power minus 1. It will be 4 and this will be 5. So 3 to the power 4 means 81 plus 2 to the power 4 means 16 plus, just reciprocate 4 by 5 to the power minus 1, it will be 5 by 4. Okay, take LCM, it will be 4. Now 81 into 4, 388, 844, okay, 32 64 plus 5. Okay, so this will be 4 plus 4 8 is 393 by 4. You can further divide it, it will come 98.25. I hope this is our required answer. Write down please. Question number 19 first, it is given lm under root x to the power l by x to the power m into mn under root x to the power m by xn nl under root x to the power n and x to the power l. First of all, I can take lm, this part I can write x to the power, take a to the power m by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n, so l minus n into mn under root, I can write x to the power m minus n into nl x to the power n minus l. Up to here, write down please. Now here I can write x to the power lm, x to the power lm, sorry, l minus m by lm. I can write because as we know under root means what, 1 by 2, but here it is given lm root, so I can write lm into x to the power mn minus m minus n by m n into x to the power n minus l by nl. Now base same, this base same, power will be added, x to the power l minus m by lm plus m minus n by mn plus n minus l nl. Now this one you can take common, means sorry, LCM, you have to take LCM, no common, LCM. So lm mn nl, it will be x to the power l m n. Now if I am taking l m n as a common, so our lm cancel n, so means n l minus mn. Here also m and m cancel, so lm minus ln plus nl cancel, so mn minus ln ml. Now this is plus ml, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is minus nl, this is plus, so it will be 0. So x to the power I can write 0 by lmn. As we know, any number will divided 0, it will be 0 only, so x to the power 0. So x to the power 0 means 1. This is our required answer. I hope you understand. So this is the first part of indices. So stay tuned for second part. So subscribe my channel, share, like it. Thank you. Have a nice day. For watching this video till end. I hope you understand whatever I taught you. Stay tuned for second video, means second part of this chapter. So for that, like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.